Guys, I'm out here with the Helicute Hero, a real classic. But the original battery in this thing died. It swelled up like a turd and I had to throw it out. So now I have one of these in there. It's a 3.7650. So I'll get a little bit reduced flight time, probably like 2/3. There was a 1000 in there, so I don't know if I'll get more batteries for it or just use these just to fly it for a few minutes. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. But anyway, these were the ones from the Call of Duty drone. That turd I stepped on, that stomped it, I saved the battery out of it. They had 2 batteries with it, so them are the ones that came with that. We'll start a little bit of video here and take it up. Yeah, turn the rate up a little bit. It's drifting like crazy. Look at that thing. There's no wind out here at all. It's calm as the day. Wow. Flies great, actually. Cuppy has. I bought this because of Cuppy's review. I was actually buying it while I was watching his review. I bought it off of his link, so he got 2 pennies out of it. Okay, well, it's calmed down a little bit now. It's not drifting so much. I was like, geez, when I started that off, you see how it just like started going that way. Now it's sitting pretty still. We can go over here and get a look at it. Well, for the most part, it's sitting still. It's sitting as still as it's going to sit, okay? I think the battery might be crapping out already, because those lights are flashing. So this might be the shortest flight in American history of the Heliway. Yeah, the lights are flashing for some reason. Just not sure what it is. Okay, it won't flip. Swap out the battery for another one. Maybe we can get a couple more minutes out of it. Yeah, those lights flashing must have been the low battery warning. Just doesn't seem the same, I guess, without the original 1000 battery in there. Take it up a little bit. Believe me, that's about as high as you want to fly this damn thing. Because I was starting to lose the bind on it. As you could see, as it wasn't responding right away. Now it seems to be sitting still more. Like I said, there's no wind at all here. It doesn't seem to be flying today as well as it has in the past. I'll just tell you that. This is a good flying quadcopter. It's just not flying that well today. For whatever reason. There goes the battery, there goes the lights flashing. So out of these 650s, you're not getting the flight time out of these 650s as you were that 1000. Not even close. Because I think I remember on my flight review of this thing, it flew for a long time on that 1000. And even Cuppy's, I'm pretty sure his did the same thing. So I'm going to have to come up with some alternative deal here. Damn. It skidded off the runway. Alright. Alright, boys. It's been a thrill. Oh, let me turn off the video before I lose that, so at least we have some video. That video went for 4 minutes, so you're looking at like 4 minutes and change with a 650. And the voltage was the same too. So, alright guys, have a nice day.